Are you ready to revolutionize your meal prep? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to simplify your kitchen life. This incredible appliance isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a true 9-in-1 marvel, replacing multiple devices with one sleek design. Imagine pressure cooking, slow cooking, steaming, and even making yogurt all in a single pot, saving you counter space and endless cleanup. With 15 customizable smart programs from soup to cake, achieving perfect results every time is effortless, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef. Its durable stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking, superior heat distribution, and incredibly easy cleaning, making it a standout feature. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's an essential upgrade for anyone serious about efficient, delicious home cooking in 2025. If you're looking to buy the ultimate versatile cooker, you can find the best deal and full details via the Amazon link in the description below. Click that link now to explore why the Instant Pot Duo Plus is consistently ranked among the best kitchen appliances on the market. Seriously, for anyone seeking to streamline their cooking and enjoy amazing meals with less effort, this Instant Pot is an absolute must-have.